Finding Your Unique Voice and Sound, Part 1. Hello Spacey Academy community. Today, let's dive into the essential journey of finding your unique voice and sound as an artist. Embrace your influences. Your unique sound is a blend of your experiences and influences. Identify the artists and genres that inspire you and analyze what resonates with you. Use these elements as a foundation to build upon, not to copy, but to understand what speaks to you. Experiment and explore. Step out of your comfort zone and experiment with different genres, instruments, and production techniques. Allow yourself the freedom to create without judgment. Some of the most unique sounds come from unexpected combinations and happy accidents in the studio. Reflect your identity. Your sound should reflect who you are. Think about your personal experiences, emotions, and stories you wanna tell. Incorporate those elements into your music. Authenticity resonates deeply with listeners. Create consistently. Developing your unique voice takes time and practice. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will explore more tips of honing your unique sound and staying inspired on your artistic journey. In the meantime, stay creative and keep it spacey.